Hi friends, today the topic is Python comments. The comments can be used to explain Python code. For example, what type of description do you describe? Okay, you have to describe each instruction. Okay, what process is going on? Okay, that is a very important for as a programmer. That type of instruction is very useful. So comments can be used to explain Python code, and comments can be used to make the code more readable. Okay, and comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Okay, for example, after writing 500 lines, 300 lines like that, then you can get the good knowledge when you are having good comment. Okay, that's why we prefer that Python comments. Python comments has two representations. One is creating a comment. How can you create a comment? For example, now I am writing that print, that is something about this academy. This we are writing this. Okay, what description we are using? This is actual. I am writing this. You have to define with the help of it starts with a hash. Okay, so simply this is a comment. That is the actual one example. Example 1. Next example 2. For example, this. Okay, where for example, if you take variable a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to a plus b. For example, if you take, you are writing this print c. Okay, at this moment you have to use one more comment symbol is what here in the third line you are using one hash symbol. Rest of the characters considered as comment. In third line, c is equal to a plus b. What process is going in this here? That is adding two numbers. That is the meaning of this. Okay, so this is actual basic information about commenting. For example, if you are writing this here, variable a is 5. Similarly, variable b is 6. Then what is the meaning adding to? Then what is the meaning of this? Display the results. Whatever the comment you have, you can write either starting of the line or middle of the instruction. But whenever you are using this hash symbol, rest of the characters considered as comment. For example, example 3. Now I am writing this example is here print Kotesh Academy. And another one is print Kotesh project. Okay, we have two instructions, but before the first instruction I am using one hash symbol. Which one is executable? After execution of this, you will get the result is result. What is meant by only second instruction will be displayed. That is actual Kotesh project. Why? Because whenever you are using one hash symbol, rest of the characters or rest of the lines considered as comment. Okay, this one is simply considered as comment. Only this line as executable. So that is the difference between these. Okay, the conclusion of this is comments can be placed at the end of a line, and Python will ignore the rest of the lines. That is the main concept of this. and a comment does not have to be text that explain the code. It can also be used to prevent Python from execution code. That is a difference between example 1, example 2, example 3. Okay. Whatever it may be, you have to use hash symbol for comment. Okay. And one more comment in Python, that is actual multi-line comments. For example, in a previous condition, if you are able to write one comment in single line, but some applications sometimes you have to write more than one line. For example, for these multi-line comments, examples. Multi-line comments, that is, Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comments, you could insert a hash for each line. For example, I am adding this, adding two numbers written by Koteswara Rao, like that. So, how many lines we have? 3 lines, all are comment lines. That is why you have to use hash symbol for each line. Okay. Then you can write print Kotesh Academy. After that, you can execute the entire program. But this is one type of example. And one more example, no need to give hash symbol for each line. To avoid that concept, one more representation is here, that for same representation you can write for multi-code this, that is Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a variable. You can add a multi-line string, I mean that is with the help of that triple quotes in your code, and place your comments inside it. For example, same example, this is here adding two numbers, same here the first line is adding two numbers and second line is written by, third line is Koteswara Rao. Okay. Simply you have to give the common comment here, you can use triple quotes 1, 2, 3. Similarly, at the end 1, 2, 3. Then only that entire information considered as comment. Then you can write print Kotesh Academy. Then you can execute the entire program. That is the difference between creating a comment and for multi-line comments. Multi-line comments is the example 1, this one is example 2. Thank you. Okay, let us discuss in PyCharm IDLE. So, that is the example for Python comments. You know, comments can be used to explain Python code, that is actually readable for what type of instruction we are going to write. So, simply for example, if I write that instruction is, for example, print I am writing that Kotesh Academy, that is actual instruction. So, before that you have to write one comment, that is why you can take that hash symbol and you can write this is a sample program. So what is the role of these comments is that is for only that description for the particular instruction. So that's why we are representing this. So simply you can write, you can execute the program in run and main, then you can observe the results in this, that value is Kotesh Academy, like that you can take. For example, one more example is, we are considering this is print Python is a language. Python is a language, like that you get. So here whenever you are having that hash symbol, so remain characters can be considered as comments. Okay, so that is called as it is for comments, comment line. It is for comment line, like that you can define this. Then you can run either right click and run main button, or simply you can click on green button, run main instruction. Why? Because here main.py, this program language. So this is a Python is a language, like that you can write. So sometimes here if you want to write more instructions, that's why that is called as multi-lines. So for example, you have this print line, before the first instruction if you have the hash symbol, okay, I mean whenever you are writing the hash symbol, remaining lines are considered as comments. Then you can run the program, that is called as run main instruction. Then you are able to see that value is Python is a language. Why? Because the first line is doesn't take. Why? Because before the instruction we are having hash symbol, that's why Python is a language. So that's why you will be get only this type of instruction. This is the one type of single line comments. So Python doesn't really have a syntax for multi-line comments. So to add a multi-line comments, you could insert for a hash for each line. So for example, sometimes we are writing that another example is, this is the sample program for adding two variables, like that you can take. And take one more example is, simply you can take, this is very simple program, like that. Okay, so we have almost all three lines are in comments. That's why you have to take that how can you write that type of instruction is here. After writing that instruction, you will get the run main, you will get only one instruction, value is Python is a language. Then you can take this instruction for this. Here variables are simply a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6 and c is equal to a plus b. Then you can write the print of c. So this is the actual program for this. So before that we have three lines for instruction. Then you can write the run the program. Then you will get the result is 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11 value. So at this moment no need to give hash symbol for each line. That is concept of multi-line. So you better to represent as this. Simply you can enter the tab and remove all hashes for each line for the line. Then you can represent as that 3 double quotations, 1 2 3, and similarly at the end of the line you can take that 1 2 3, like that you can take. Then all are considered as, from starting to ending, all are considered as comments. Then after that run the program, run this instruction, you will get 11. Okay, so that means all are considered as comments. That is the example for multi-line comments. Okay, thank you.